Welcome to Alpha Coder's YouTube channel. Today we are going to install Kali Linux in Windows without any errors and easiest way to download Kali image, ISO version. Remember, you should have a minimum requirement to install Kali Linux machine. Your PC must have Windows 10 and at least 4 GB RAM. First you need to download VirtualBox and Kali ISO image file. Okay, now open your web browser and search this keyword, VirtualBox, for download. Click the first link of the page. This is the latest version of VirtualBox. Click Windows Host. It's redirecting to file locations. Give the exact location to save the setup. I'm not going to download this and ISO image because I already downloaded it. Open a new browser and search Kali Linux image index.html, click the third link. You can get these website URL links in the video description. Okay, there are all images released by Kali Linux organization. Select the latest file you want to download. Do not download any other image, download only the ISO image. Now open your Oracle VirtualBox, click New button, and give the OS name as Kali Linux. Select the version debain according to your operating system. Already I have a Linux machine, so I want to change the machine folder. Now give the memory size according to your RAM size. Create a virtual hard disk. Now keep it default. Disk file, keep it default. Click dynamically allocated, select a size for your virtual hard drive. After that, click create a virtual hard disk. Now, we want to change some settings of our machine. Click settings option. Click storage path, and click empty. Click the second options, choose a disk file. Find your Kali image and double-click it. OK, successfully image has mounted to Kali machine. Now if you want to link your PC folders to your virtual machine, create a share folder. Give the folder path you want to link. Save the changes by clicking OK. Click Start to run your machine. You can select your language. I am keeping it as English. Keep the location default. Type the host name of the system, type the name without spaces. type a domain name. I am giving it as Kali. Here is the username, it's you can type your name. By keeping it as alpha coders. Set up your passwords. Click guided use entire disk. You want to save the changes to the disk, click yes. It seems that this new installation is the only operating system on this computer. Click yes. Select the virtual hard disk and continue. Now the installation is complete, click to continue. Okay, the machine is ready to use. Type your username, or administrative name, enter your passwords. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share our YouTube channel.